used for almost anything, including arts and crafts, but we can also make instruments out of them.
Yeah, you can make an instrument pretty much out of anything. Why don't you go ahead and collect some recycled materials around your house, and we can explore the sounds they make.
All right, so first we have our tin can, our classic tin can here. This one can make a lot of cool sounds, including a cowbell type sound. You can even flip it on its side. Pretty cool. Make a little noise like that.
Yeah, I mean, mine with the lid, it kind of sounds like that.
You could even use the side of this one. Pretty cool, right? So it's really fun to have you and your kids explore the different noises that these materials make. This one, for instance, sounds really different, and this one compared to that one. Pretty cool, right? Another thing you can do with these is if you have some beads lying around, or if you want to go outside and collect some acorns, some rocks, you can collect these red laurel seeds or even rice and fill some of the containers to make a shaker.
Hi, I'm Madison, and today I'm going to make an instrument. Look for things in our house, beans and rice. Now I'm going to take away my instrument. Now I'm all finished with my musical, and now I can shake it.
You can compare and contrast the sounds. You can even sort and say these two sound the same, but that one sounds different. There's really a lot of possibility. You can even turn this into kind of like a call and response game. So I'm going to make a little beat and see if Jessica can respond, and you can do this at home too. So I'll start off with just a